Yep. Hello, Chris, you sexy beast.
Oh.
That's perfect audio now.
Yeah. He's like, you are incredible. There's a delivery.
Thanks for last night, it was great. Yeah, the Chris special, I tell you.
It's called the cripple. Chris, I'm trying to think, Chris and special, and as one word was the cripple.
I'm recording all this, which
Yeah.
probably should be, so...
Right, okay.
Right, serious heads on.
And for GDPR readings, are you alright for us to use
No,
this in all
absolutely
our-
not. Absolutely not.
Only on Geo's Facebook.
If I see this anywhere on the internet, I'm going to sue.
Are you alright?
I refer you to my first answer. Oh, go on then, as long as you pay me fee.
So basically, can we use this? That's what that means.
Yes, Are we allowed to publish this afterwards?
Yeah. John, can you tell me your name, surname, spell it for me, and whether you what you do on Friday nights? I'm joking. So John, Hoffmann Group offer a world-leading range of cutting tools, but what other services have you? Right, sorry.
Yes, we offer as a service.
Tasty. John, Hoffmann Group UK offer a.
Yeah. We offer worldwide.
What is that? John, Hoffmann Group UK offer. I thought this would be quick.
Just say we offer.
We offer that.
Sorry, oh God, don't start me off on that again. Bloody hell.
Hoffmann have...
I can't pronounce my H's and they destroyed me last week. Tell me about the technical support that you offer.
We offer
Is your patio all done?
Yeah, I'll show you some photos. Yeah. We're here on the patio today.
John, you've got a huge product portfolio.
Scott, you've got a. We have an internal team.
Sorry, it's very rude. I'll stop now.
We have an internal team.
I think I've recorded more bloopers than actual content.
And smile. What?
Fly out your mouth,
Yeah, okay.
baby.
It's not getting dirty again, man.
No. I forgot what your last line was after that.
Me too.
Well, we have a dedicated technical support team internally, and we also have a large external team. I felt good and confident then. I looked at Lindsay and she goes,
Lindsay.
Good shout, actually, because it is really, it is lighting.
Yeah, that's good.
is that better?
Yeah, way better. Way better.